Hey there, so you were wondering whether you should buy this course or not. I'm here to help you. So what I want you to do is pause this video and head over to bijoyandas.github.io, and in this page you just scroll down. By the way, this is me. So under the JavaScript games section you can find these three games: the snake, the breakout, and catch the cupcakes. So what I want you to do is open any one of the two games and start playing. So if you like these games and if you want to know how you can build these games, then this is the course for you. In this course, I'll be dividing the development of these games into more than 15 steps for each of the games, where I'll be talking about the different elements associated with the games in detail. So at the end of the course, you will have a deep understanding of how the different elements work together, and you will be ready to create your own JavaScript game from scratch without using any JavaScript libraries or tools whatsoever. And as a bonus, you are also getting to learn how you can host your game on your free github.io page as well. So that's a lot to cover. Are you excited? If you are, sign up for this course and I will see you inside. That's it. Have a nice day.